Hey, it's day 17 of the 2025 Lather games. Don't have a cow man. We're using vegan products. I'm going to go with Katie's Bubbles at Midnight Dreary, followed by Pasteur and Master Soap Creations Bloom. The scents go together nicely. We're going to top that off with Royal Vetiver Noir. Today's razors. It's A/B testing for the daily challenge. We're going to go with a Mühle R89 and a Edwin Jagger DE89. On the head today, Mühle on the right, Edwin Jagger on the left. We're going to put a pair of Dorco Titan blades in each, well, not in each of them, we're going to put one in each. Here we go. Hey, so far, so good. Not too bad for two razors at the same time. Hey, I'm going to call that a good shave. These razors are essentially the same. So, is it fair to do an A/B comparison on them? Why, certainly. It's the Lather games. Anything is fair. Handling-wise, the plastic fake gem finish, I guess, is probably a little bit more grippy because it's plastic. The chrome finish, chrome plating is actually really pretty grippy. It's would have to do some sort of a weight test. I don't know. You could do some sort of scientific testing on these, I'm sure. But very much the same razor head. Weight is probably, the Mühle is a bit heavier, whereas the DE89 or the Edwin Jagger is a little bit lighter. Both Zamac, chrome plated, gold plated, I would imagine. But both very nice razors. My favorite, probably for weight, is this one. It's just a better razor, I think, as far as comfort, even though it's might be a little bit slipperier. I don't know. Both good razors.